What GenomOncology does and why this partnership is so meaningful to us is it uses machine learning, where it takes all the genetic sequences that are identified by a patient, matches them up to all the published accounts of therapies, and then it makes a recommendation to the doctor based on all the available data using machine learning to identify, number one, the most appropriate treatment, but very importantly for us, what clinical trials a patient would be eligible for. Dating back to about 2010 and prior, a surgeon would remove a tumor out of a patient. You would process it in pathology. The pathologist would look at it under a microscope slide. And then based on pattern recognition and knowledge, they would say this is an adenocarcinoma of the colon. Patients would be treated with a regimen that was tested on thousands of patients. Today, by being able to sequence these tumors, you notice that tumors are very different genetically, even though they may look the same under the microscope. So by sequencing the tumor, then you know what is driving that tumor, and you can try to turn off the drivers with specific drugs.
By doing genomic testing, when someone is initially diagnosed with their cancer, we now, in addition to getting just a location of the tumor, like a lung cancer, or a histology of the tumor, which is what it looks like under the microscope, we're now getting a genetic picture or a genetic view of what the cancer looks like to help us design our treatment. What we're trying to do is develop a systems approach to research and make sure that a study that's available within the university hospital system is available to patients all across the region, and that we can screen people relatively easily. What this program can potentially do will empower the clinical trials unit here on the main campus to help work with the whole region and the whole cancer center to help identify those patients and help the oncologists in our team refer patients and to make sure that they're hearing all their opportunities.
One of the major benefits of our partnership with GenomOncology is the ability for our patients to have their tumors sequenced and then using this machine learning algorithm to identify the best treatments for them and rapidly curate clinical trials for them, whether they be here in Cleveland or anywhere else in the United States. And that's available not only to our disease team experts, but to our community oncologists as well. And that is a major benefit to the people of Northeast Ohio.